In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can create an account for Autodesk Fusion 360, how to download the program and then get it running on your machine. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Chrome and then go to the Fusion 360 site. Now it's really important that you go to the correct page within Autodesk. So what I want you to do is to search for Autodesk Fusion 360 download EDU, which stands for education. It's really important that you get that because sometimes if you just type in Fusion 360 or something, it takes you to some other random page. Hit enter and you should be given these results for your search. The one at the top here reads Fusion 360 free software for students. That's the one that we're after. So click onto that, of course. It takes us to the website and you should get this page hopefully. And the first thing to do, of course, if you've never used Fusion 360 before or any of their Autodesk products, you'll need to create an account. So let's go to create an account. And usual thing, read through the instructions. Our country is Australia. Your role is as a student. Our institution type is high school, secondary. I'm just going to make up a date of birth for myself. And then click on next. Up here I'm going to type in my particulars. And here is your email. So make sure that you use your school's email account. I'm just going to type mine in here to demonstrate. And then to save myself having to type that again, I'm going to copy that and paste it. And then of course a password. So make it the same password that you always use, that way you won't forget in years to come. Click on the I agree and then click on create account. I'll just give that a few seconds. And at this point it's asking to verify. I am going to hit save. Actually I'm never going to hit that password because I just realised I'm on a loan machine, so I'll kill that. And it's now asking me to go to my email and then respond. Alright, so therefore I'll need to go back into my account and check that out. So go do that and then we'll come back and do the next stage. For Gmail account, then you'll be prompted with an email from Autodesk. Just click on verify email. And if everything's going correctly, account verified, then click on done. Should redirect us to this page, just one more step. So at this point here, we type in Kings, but it has to be an apostrophe S. And it should then come up with King's Christian College. There it is there. It says it's Brisbane, but that's okay. Area of study is going to be, let's go with architecture, engineering, and also product design. And this point here, you normally get a 3-year license. So what we'll do is we'll say from January this year of 2020 through to, let's say we're going to graduate in December of 2023. And hopefully that'll give us a 3-year license. Actually it would be 4 years, but anyway, we'll see what happens. Next, account has been set up, click on continue. Goes according to the plan. It should take us back to the original web page, which it has. Alright, so you'll notice a difference then, where it will then ask you to get access to Fusion 360. Click on step 2, get access, and then once we've got access, then we actually then go to step 3, which is download the software. Click on the download here. It's only quite small. It's only about 40 meg or something, I think, something like that. See it starting to download, hopefully in the bottom left hand corner. There it goes, that's only 16 meg actually. Once it's finished downloading, simply just double click on the DMG and opens it up. And then you should be prompted with this screen. So you simply right click on the icon and click on open. If at this stage it comes up with an error message, just keep clicking on open and then it will normally go through to installing. Because I'm using, yes we do, and if that happened again, just click on open, 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 and it eventually will start up. So you can see the software is now being installed. And the last thing that it might ask us to do, it might ask us to log into the software one more time. We'll just wait for that to finish doing its install. I'll just move this down here. Oh, it's going to take a little while yet, so I'll just stop the video and I'll come back when that's installed. The program tries to start, it will then prompt you to sign into the Autodesk account. Make sure that you're on the King's ITS here, otherwise it won't work if you go to guest. Then use your details that you used before to create the account with. And next, and your password that you used before. And we should get to this next page, which should ask us about a second layer of authentication or protection. It's just taking its time. There we go, spinning wheel. Yes. Looks like we're having, oh, there we go. Oh, okay, so it prompted us straight through to the actual program. Alright, so if it did pop up with another thing saying about a second layer of protection or something, just ignore that. What happens here, it'll then prompt you to become part of a team. We don't really use Teams yet much at school, so what you could do here is just click on Next, and when you click on Create a Team, it'll ask you for a name. So at this point, just type in your name, and then on Next, and then Create, and then once that's finished, then it will start up the program, and then you're right to start to create your different files. There we go. Go to Team. Just look at this final interface. You'll notice at the top one says Education Licenses have been approved. If yours up there says 30-day trial, what you'll need to do is to log in again to your account, and then it'll prompt you to apply for a license. I'm just going to click Continue here. If I can get it to work. It's been a little bit slow. I'm going to maximize that screen up, and then the program will start. Okay, so once you've done all that, it should be then just a matter of following the rest of the tutorials on how to manage your files and also how to use the program to create whatever designs that you need. Okay, it's ready to go.